The objective today is to name numbers within 1 million by building understanding of the place value chart and placement of commas. Let's start by labeling a place value chart. So we have this place value chart. The place to the furthest to the right there is the ones place. Then we have the tens place. Then we have the hundreds place. What comes next? Did you say thousands place? After the thousands place, we have the 10,000s place. And then we have the 100,000s place. And then we have the millions place. So we have, and what would come next is the 10 millions place. So we have, if you look at this again with me, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. You'll notice, just as there is a tens place, there is also a 10,000s place. Just as there is a hundreds place, there is a 100,000s place. We also have ones place, hundreds, millions. We don't call it 100s place or 1 millions place. We just call it the hundreds place or the millions place. Depending on where it is that we put place value disks within this place value chart, we can model different numbers. So there's 2 million there, and let's draw some more here, where we have 3 10,000s there, and we'll just draw that many there. Let's think about what this is worth then. Put a 2 there, a 0 there, because there are 100,000s. We have 3 there. We'll put a 5, it looks like, for the thousands. And then we still have to have placeholders where it is that there's zeros for the ones, tens, and hundreds. The other thing that we're going to continue to work on is our placement of commas. If I write out this number, 2035000, let's go ahead and place our comma so it'll be easier to see this number and also easier to read this number. We'll count from right to left, 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. We'll place our comma there. Do the same thing again, 3 more places, and place another comma. So this number here is read as 2,035,000. Read it again, 2,035,000. Where would I place my commas for each of these numbers? That first one is 5782416. Starting from right to left, we've got 1, 2, and 3 places, so we place a comma there. 1, 2, and 3 more places, so we place a comma there. So we have 5,782,416, or that number is written as 5,782,416. How many thousands are in this number? There's actually 5,782 thousands in that number. Let's look at this next number here. Let's place our commas. How many commas do we need? Can you write it out on a piece of paper? Did you place 1 comma? How many thousands are in this number? Did you answer that there are 934 thousands in this number? Were you able to read this number? And where would you place the commas within the last one? You try. did you place them like that? Where this number would be 816,039,256, where there are 816 million in that number. Let's go ahead and use this place value chart and digits to be able to model this problem. Can you read that problem? 5 10,000s, 300s, times 10. So let's model this first. Using digits. It says 5 10,000s. So we'll place the 5 digit in the 10,000s place. But we also have 300s. We will write right there. That number in standard form is 5, 0, 3, 0, 0, and the comma goes right there, so that there is 50,300 that we're still multiplying by 10. Will the number get bigger or smaller if we're multiplying by 10? Yes, the number gets bigger. The digits shift in what direction to get larger? They will shift one place over to the left. So those 5 10,000s are now worth 500,000s. Let's shift not just one digit, but both of those digits. What's the new number that we have? We have 5, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. I'll carefully place my comma there, and let's read that whole thing there. 50,300 times 10 equals 503,000. The other types of questions that I might ask you is how many 10,000s are within this number? Sure, there's a 0 within this place, but there's actually a 5 within this place, so there are 50 10,000s in this number. How many thousands are in this number? There would be 503,000s in this number, or even 503,000 ones. Let's give you a problem to try. Here is a problem for you to try. We have 8,000s, 5 ones, times 10. Make sure that you draw that place value chart, and you can either use numbers or disks in your place value chart to figure out the product, or what this equals. Pause the video and do your work, please. Okay, 8,000s. Let's model that first. I'm going to use numbers. If you used disks, that is fine. In this case, I have modeled 8,005. What will I do now is I'm still multiplying by 10. What happens to a 1 if you multiply by 10? It would be worth 10. Or 10 ones, which also equals 10. So 5 of those ones times 10 equals 5 10s. 8,000s times 10 would be worth 8 10,000s. And then so when we're looking here, how would we write this number? It's 8, 0 in the thousands, 0 in the hundreds, 5 in the tens, 0 in the ones. Where do you place the comma? 1, 2, and 3, comma. So that we have the number 80,050. 8,005 times 10 equals 80,050. where we had those 8 times 10, or 8 thousandths times 10, does equal 80,000. And put it together with those 5 ones times 10, which does equal 50. So we're continuing to work here and to use that place value chart to continue to build our understanding of these larger numbers, even numbers up to 1,000,000. We're continuing to understand how it is that we place our commas within those numbers.